Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Word and picking either a simple template or a blank document. This gets you straight into content. Once done, set 1 margins and 11-12-point font so recruiters can scan easily. You should place your full name and contact details in a concise header, include a linked-in URL, and remove clutter. Make sure to save immediately with a clear file name. That prevents accidental overwrites and keeps version control simple. You now build the core of your CV. A short summary, then experience, then education. This order matches what employers look for. For each role, write company, title, and dates, then follow with 2 to 4 achievement bullets that start with strong verbs and include numbers when possible. Once written, adjust spacing and bold headings for scanning. Use sentence fragments for bullets to keep rhythm. Make sure to remove generic tasks and focus on measurable impact. You finish by proofreading aloud and running word spell check, then export a PDF to preserve layout when submitting. Once done, check file size and strip document properties if you need privacy. If the layout shifts across systems, make sure you used built-in word styles rather than manual spacing. Reapply styles or use Paste Special to paste text without formatting. If things still go wrong, reopen the original doc and adjust line spacing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.